Hello children, welcome back. Just a few minutes back we talked about food chain, and you do remember, I hope, that food chain is a sequence of living things where we can show how one organism eats the other. Now, sometimes when an organism is eating one, it is also eaten by another. In that case, we have to use a food web to show who's eating whom. The problem with a food chain is that it cannot go more than say 3 to 4 steps. However, many a times there are organisms which are eating something, and then there are organisms which are eating this organism which is eating something. So it gets difficult, complicated to show through a food chain. So food webs are used. A food web is intersecting food chains. Take a look at this food web. Now over here you can see this is the producer, and we did learn when we were doing our food chain what a producer is. Remember, a producer is usually found at the beginning, at the start of a food chain or a food web. They make their own food, that is why they are called the producers. Mostly these are plants, and they trap energy from the sunlight and turn it into food through the process of photosynthesis, right? So this is your producer. It is being eaten either by a zebra, a deer, or a cow or a bull. Now, this is again being eaten by a hyena. A hyena can also eat a zebra. So you see, this food chain is intersecting this one as well, right? Take a look at this. The deer is eating the producer. The deer is being eaten by a cheetah, right? Now the cheetah is also eating the zebra. So this food chain again being intersected by this one. The cheetah is further being eaten by the lion. The lion also eats the zebra. The lion can also eat the hyena. So we are talking about a few food chains over here. One being producer, cow, hyena, lion. That's one. Second, producer, zebra, lion, right? Third, producer, deer, cheetah, lion, correct? Then again, take a look at this. Producer, zebra, cheetah, lion. One more. Producer, zebra, hyena, lion. So you can see there are so many food chains all woven together in this one, and it looks like somewhat a web, a Spider-Man's web maybe, and the Spider-Man's web is called a food web. Okay, now take a look at this. This lion over here is ruling all. The lion is eating up everything and everybody that's coming its way. It's at the top of all the food chains. In this case, we call the lion an apex predator because it's the ultimate predator over here. Okay? Remember what a prey and a predator were when we did our food chain? A prey is something that is being hunted and is getting eaten. The predator is the one who is hunting and eating up the prey. Okay? These are the producers because they produce their own food. These are all consumers because they are all eating the producer and each other up. Ooh, that sounds weird, right? Okay, so this is food web. We are done for today. I shall see you very soon because we need to continue this lesson where we will learn about decomposers in our next class. This is Miss Maryam signing off for today. Take care of yourselves and prepare well for your iPLSCs.